Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Welcome to the most monumental channel here on YouTube,
Boom shakalaka!
the Deived channel. Yes, sir. I hope that everybody's doing all right today. Good morning, fam. It's your boy Deived. They call me King Deived in the channel world, in the gaming channel world, and today we're jumping right into the biggest market stories that could move your money. Grab that café. Salud. And I'm doing vertical and horizontal live stream, so really depends on your favorite orientation for the video. We got big headlines on Trump's tax bill, Nvidia calling out Biden's AI policy, and a major target earnings miss. Let's go.
Boom shakalaka!
Yes, sir. And by the way, guys, let me know in the chat what stocks you're watching today. And are you still riding Magnificent 7 wave? AMD, Nvidia. I'm watching it all, guys. I'm watching it all. Let me see what else I gotta say over here. Drop your tickers and pull them up. Dímelo, Rustam. David, bro, do you like the horizontal or vertical live stream, bro? Which one do you like best? Because I'm doing both. By the way, Rustam, quick heads up, my new track Rockstar dropping on May 24th. The same day we're doing a live show in Chicago at Montrose Saloon. So if you like music and real market talk, hit that bell notification and subscribe now. And we're dropping fire this week. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the news. Yes, we got to start with the stock index futures slip as attention turns to Trump's tax bill. Uh-oh. I know, sir. I know that you've been hungry all of this time. But anyways. Yes, my friends. S&P 500 futures are red today, negative 0.6%, with the Dow leading losses at negative 0.9%, and Trump's tax bill has investors anxious. Meanwhile, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang just said U.S. export curbs were a failure. That could mean more volatility in the chip sector. I want to take a look at that real quick. So let's take a look at Nvidia, bro, how it's doing. I hope that you can see it in the vertical live stream. Let me make sure that you guys can see the numbers. There you go. This is what I want to see. Want you guys to see. Perfect. So Nvidia. We're actually doing good. 133. We have done very, very nicely since the break of our trend line and that big bounce that we had. We didn't reach the 200 EMA. We were so close, but we did reach the previous resistance, which became a strong support. You can see it over here, guys, and we did go up from, I will say, I don't want to say the bottom because I don't usually get in there. I usually get here like 96, 95 to where we are, 133. That's about 42%, guys. That's a very good bounce. Dímelo, Shubham Do. How you doing, my bro? You want me to take a look at BGLC? I got you, bro. Vertical? You like vertical? Interesting. I'm going to start doing more vertical, bro. Actually, we got 12 viewers right now. Shout out to everybody who's online, man. I don't usually do vertical live streams for the stock market because, as you already know, guys, and you are already experienced in this, is that you have a better perspective with horizontal, right? That's the main case for me. But when we have vertical, we obviously have more exposure and people are using their phones. So much easier. But anyways, guys, continuing. I'm liking Nvidia. I am not gonna lie. I think Nvidia can pop off. I'm not saying when, because usually summer is not the best time to invest. Actually, espérate, let me rephrase that. Summer is not the best time for gains. Summer usually is the best time for investment, for entries. So let's see where we can be heading with Nvidia, guys. So let's say that Nvidia goes back to the resistance and we pull back down. whatever. We have a retracement. But where can we break out to, right? We know that Nvidia has enough momentum to break out of the resistance. Let's say that we do break the resistance of 150. We are able to reach 170s or even 190s. Further up, it should be 250s. Something that I really want to keep an eye on, okay? But anyways, another thing that I want to talk about will be Target. Actually, Target missed the earnings. So let's pull up the chart. TGT, which actually had a lot of people criticizing Target. And yeah, we were still in a downtrend. We were creating lower lows. And from 98, we are down to 91. That's actually not great. But I'm going to tell you something, bros. Dudes and dudettes. We are totally oversold on Target. So I want to say, in my perspective, this is actually a great price for entries. I haven't been investing in Target, I'm going to be honest. But I may consider it, because if you look at the RSI, we are in the oversold territory for the weekly. We're getting RSI divergence. We're getting that cross over there. And I'm just waiting for one more thing. The 2-pole oscillator hasn't given me a sign. But let's see over here, guys. We still didn't get the... here's the financials. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't tell me the earnings just yet. Let me pull up the Target. Weaker than expected Q1 results. Weaker than expected Q1 results. So it didn't go well for Target, guys. Dimelo Winter, how you doing, my bro? Rostam. Bro, Rostam, it's been a while, huh? And we got other people in the horizontal live stream as well. So I'm doing vertical and horizontal. So Target, I'm just pulling up over here. Here it is. This is what I was looking for. So Target non-GAAP EPS of 1.30 misses by 0.35. Revenue of 23.8 billion, which is a lot. Misses by 550 million. I mean, sure, it's fine. Net sales of 23.8 billion in the first quarter were 2.8% lower than last year, reflecting a merchandise sales decrease of 3.1% and 13.5% increase in other revenue. Digital comparable sales grew 4.7%, reflecting more than 35% growth in the same year, delivery powered by Target Circles 360 and continued growth in Drive Up. For fiscal 2025, the company now expects a low single-digit decline in sales and GAAP EPS of $8 to $8. Adjusted EPS, which excludes the gains from litigation settlements in the first quarter, is expected to be approximately $7 to $9 versus 8.59 consensus. There you go. And like I said, guys, this is something I'm going to definitely keep an eye on. Look at this. It broke this trend line. I mean, we are down, but we're getting a gap. I think this is, I will say, just wait for this to create a solid support, and you should be good. Yeah, you should be getting some good profits there. We'll see. We'll see. But anyways, Dímelo Rostam, let's take a look at your BGLC. Let's see what's happening there. Bionexus Gene Lab Corp. This is the one that you're looking for. This is a penny stock. Wanna be very, very careful about it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly. Crazy all-time highs over here. Actually, let me use this horizontal ray. It's doing support and resistance. Very simple. I'm not complicating it right now, guys. Rostam, did you not click on the notification bell for the Rockstar release, bro? It's gonna be a YouTube exclusive release. And finally, the last one. Okay. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Okay, so the monthly, at least we had a bullish candle, but not engulfing. What I can see in the RSI is that we're getting to oversold territory in the monthly. The weekly is very sideways. I do see a double bottom, which is something that we definitely want to keep an eye on, right? We want to break out of this resistance here. It's going to be key and crucial for us. And actually, we got to get out of this resistance if we really want to go up. Let's look at the daily. The daily is still not above the 50 EMA. What I want to see is this continuation of the trend line. Hopefully, we get out of this resistance, like I said, to push higher. And if we do, we can get to that $4.40. If you are holding, and let's say that it does go up, because things can go down, right? We can retest the support at 220s. If it does go up to 440s, that's 64%. And I have a friend that invested around $15,000. He's doing 64%, and he's doing very, very good. He's doing a very good amount of money right now. So definitely something to keep an eye on. It seems like they had some earnings, negative 0.347. And it says over here, BioNexus Gene Lab Corp SEC 10Q report. Regains NASDAQ compliance with $1 minimum bid price. So it seems like, did they do a reverse stock split? Yeah. 1-4-10. So it seems like that's what they do. If they want to be compliant with the NASDAQ, they have to do a reverse stock split. Hopefully that's helpful. And let's see the last item that I want to check out over here, which is an article regarding Google. And before I continue, let me see something. Oh, we are actually dropping a little bit in crypto world. Did you want to see this? It's not that much though, but I didn't want to see it. Actually, let's look at the DXY. The DXY is actually dropping. We were doing so well last week. Maybe this is the area that it will create a support. We'll have to wait and find out. We broke this minor trend line, so I'm definitely watching for this trend line to be broken. DJI 42,677, SPX 5,940. Wow, we have been going up. NASDAQ 8183, just reaching the resistance, and maybe we push down now. See the resistance. US oil 62.68. I've been doing well with oil. Things are getting a little bit cheaper because of it. Whoa, Rostam, thank you, my friend. Thank you for that super chat, my bro. Wow. Thank you, bro. Wow, it's been a while since you've been here and you are supporting me. That's amazing, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. You already know that every time I get, if you become a member or if you donate to this channel, bro, it's all going towards the channel. You guys are the executive producers of this show, okay? Appreciate it, my bro. Yeah, 440 will be a great price. But keep in mind, we may retrace to 220. Just keep that in mind, bro. Like, things can go up and down. You already know. You just got to be ready for anything. And I think you already got the experience, right? Because you have been investing for so long and you understand this. So you just want to watch out for that, bro. But I appreciate it, man. That's such a beautiful thing that you have done. Okay, let's take a look at this Google article. I think I saw something very interesting about Google, by the way. Let's see. So it says over here, Google just boosted cloud security in the EU. And I believe Google released even another product. Let me see if I can even find it. I just was reviewing TikTok and I saw it. I was like, wow, this is actually good. It's literally like a monitor that has like a few cameras, and it does have AI to transcript or translate the conversation that you're having with the other person in real time, which is amazing. Trying to see, oh, is it Volvo and Google expand partnership for Android software in cars? That's awesome. Warby Parker shares surge after Google commits up to $150 million to develop AI glasses. Once again, Google Glass. That's awesome. Google adds AI mode to search. Takes step beyond AI overviews, which is definitely needed. Google's at a transitional point. AI is both good and bad for them. Google showcases Gemini AI capabilities at I/O developer event. Nielsen Gauge report for April shows steady rise in TV viewing via streaming. Google highlights AI acceleration at 2025 I/O developer conference. Alphabet's Waymo cleared to expand robotaxi service in Bay Area. And that's it, bro. I can't even find this thing. Let me see if I can find it. Google new products, camera, and let's see. Let me see if I can find it. I just saw it on TikTok. TikTok is actually a great place for information, man. No, let's see. Google. Let's do Google TikTok new product. Let's see if I can find it. I just want to show you this, bro. Irony, using freaking TikTok to find Google, and Google doesn't give me the thing that I'm looking for. Yeah, that's a friend of mine, bro, playing the drums. Look at that. Google I/O 2025. Saita? Dímelo Chimalfili. How you doing, my bro? You doing good? Oh, this is it. This is what I wanted to show you, bro.
Hi, Camilla. Let me turn on speech translation.
Look at this, bro.
It's nice to finally talk to you. Es bueno hablarte finalmente. No puedo esperar a alquilar tu casa.
Te vas a divertir mucho y creo que te va a encantar. You're gonna have a lot of fun and I think you're gonna love visiting the city.
Bro, not gonna lie, this is what we need. This is what we needed like a long time ago, bro. It's gonna help so much with the barrier, the language barrier.
That sounds wonderful. Eso suena maravilloso. ¿Es la casa cercana al transporte público o recomiendas alquilar un coche?
And I believe there's more technology that does this, like wearables, like glasses or even an earpiece. I'm not quite sure, but this is gonna be good. You know what I mean? This is gonna be a game changer. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on Google. I've been investing in Google for a while. I remember when Google was like in the thousands of dollars, and I was like, man, I can't even invest in this. But I'm investing in it. Like, I've been investing slowly but surely in my portfolio. I do have some Google, and I'm gonna get exposed more, and I do think that they're gonna go higher. So obviously, with the momentum that we're getting, hopefully we're able to break out of the resistance. But Citibank has a target of 195. I'm gonna keep it there. I'm not gonna go and tell you, oh, if we break, we're gonna go higher. I don't want to say that. We did reach very closely to the 200 EMA, and you can see every time we reach the 200 EMA, we just bounce very strong. So this is what we're looking for, bro. Okay, so keep an eye on Google. SYTA, I got you, my bro. Thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the live stream if you do. I actually want to do a, I want to ask you all, like, do you like vertical or horizontal? Let me know, because I'm doing right now, I'm doing both. Fat Nuts, good morning. UPST, I got you, bro. Fat Nuts, right now I'm doing vertical and horizontal live stream, just to let you know, man, bro. Oh, this is not bueno. Sillata Mobile filing to sell 11 million common shares for holders. Okay, that means that it may take the price down, but it will be cheaper, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts for you, my friend. Sillata Mobile. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening with my computer. You see this weirdness? See that? I told you, it's gonna make it cheaper. So we did go down. So the first thing first, we gotta go to the daily, to the monthly. Oh, we already reviewed this a long time ago. Mira para allá, bro. But what a massive candle. That was a beautiful candle, bro. That is actually giving us a support. Great support. I think this actually had like did he have a stock split? I think it did, bro. I think this had a stock split. That's why it went up. Look at that, bro. Look at that massive candle. You know what I will do? I will have some buy limits at $2. That's the first thing I will do. Maybe $2, maybe 420s. I like the cross that we're getting in the daily time frame. It's a little bit overbought. I'm gonna be honest on the daily. So I wouldn't be entering this. Not at all. Look at the 4 hour. No, bro. This is too overbought. Too overbought. It is too speculative right now, but it is in an uptrend. It is in an uptrend. But the uptrend already has done the move. So I may think that this is gonna go back down to that 419. That retest will be definitely ideal. As you can see, we already have gone down to 659. Maybe we have a bounce today. I'm not sure. I don't know too much about the company, but I can definitely tell you we are overbought in the daily. Maybe we don't start dropping now massively because we can't wait for that RSI divergence to happen in the daily. Bro, it's the weeklies are actually oversold. The weeklies oversold. Yeah, I just want to watch out for that 4 hour. The 4 hour will give you a better entry. So that 4 hour candle will definitely guide you, my friend. And I don't see the 200 EMA, so definitely want to keep an eye on that. The 200 EMA is going to be a magnet for good buys, okay? Does that help, my friend? Should I sell? I mean, do you make some good profit, bro? Vertical good for iPhone? Yeah, I know. It's definitely good. It's definitely good. Bro, let me like your freaking... I can't even like your... Oh, there you go. I like your donation. Thank you, man. So I'm going to be doing more of this, vertical and horizontal, just because I see that there's more engagement over here. Does that help, Shimathi? Shimathi, do you make profit already or not? You bought at 250 and some at 630. Okay, so you're in good profit, though. I mean, do you think this is going to go up for, like... for a while? It's still looking good. Like, I will, if I were you, I do DCA. The only concern that I have is that we are a little bit overbought in the daily and the 4 hour. We can actually go ahead and continue to the $12 area. I can't tell you because I'm not a financial advisor what to do. But I do suggest every time somebody invests, take out the initial investment so you feel safe. So you play with the house money. You're not playing with your own money. You know what I mean? Later today? Yeah, just give yourself a target. You know what you can do? You just say, oh, if it drops at 6:30, I'm out. Like, sell limits. That's it, bro. You just do a strategy. You gotta sit down and do a strategy for yourself. You understand this more than me. Keep that in mind. You understand this company more than me. Like, I have a friend that invested in KAR, and I was investing in it as well. He's doing 16% of this. He was doing DCA, and this one actually was looking good, and I gave him the target of $30 because this is what I see. He's doing 16%, but he's investing more and more every time he he doesn't even care if it goes up or down. He just invests as a DCA strategy, and DCA strategy is very, very comfortable for new investors. That's what I've seen, and you get good gains. Doesn't break the bank either, and you don't have that pressure of, oh my god, I gotta make money today or tomorrow. You know what I mean? Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate the support, and check out my new songs, Rockstar, coming out very soon, bro. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go to youtube.com/Deived. And I'm going to go ahead and share that link with you right now, so you go ahead and add it to your notifications. And if you haven't subscribed, bro, I really have to remind you to subscribe, okay? It's over here. This is my Rockstar video, bro. Go ahead and add it to your notifications. This is a new song that I'm dropping. And let me see if I can even send it to you. Don't forget to like the live stream, bro. Here you go, sir. Okay, let's continue here. Man, my friend did 60% of this, bro. He's doing like 16K, bro. He's doing very, very well. And I think he's gonna go higher. And I actually got in at $13. This was our entries. $13. This is when I started to get in KAR. I had to sell because I was actually doing some other stuff. And look at that, beautiful. This is actually very good. You know what I'm investing in, guys? I don't know if you are, but I am gonna let you all know. I've been investing in Rivian, RIVN. This is actually gonna be one of my top investments this year. We're already up about 24%, which is great. I'm looking for more than 24%. I'm actually thinking that this can go even further up. Mizuho has a target of $70, and I think it can even pop to 170s. This is a very direct competition for Tesla, and as you already know, Tesla has been doing stock splits here and there. Rivian has great products, so it's not something like, this is not a penny stock or anything. This is actually something real, concrete. I've seen the cars in New York, I've seen the cars in Chicago, and look at that. This is a beautiful car, bro. Beautiful car. You see this? And this is an electric vehicle, okay? Very nice. Looks beautiful, man. Look at this. Great website, by the way. Oh, man, look at it. Even the wheels are turning. Such a beautiful product. Every time I see something like that, I just get excited. Okay, let's take a look at UPST that my friend over here, Fat Nuts Upstart. Let's see what you're doing here, my friend. So Upstart, does it have earnings coming up? We already had earnings. You did well. Give me a second. Okay. So it did have earnings. Surprise 0.16, 93.6% up. Revenue of 12.09 million, 6% surprise. Even though we are down pre-market, I think this can bounce. Okay, the monthly shows me a strong support area. Can we drop a little bit more? Yeah, we can go to 30s. Yeah, we can. But I wouldn't be scared of it. Actually, I see a break of a trend line here, which is great. And we already knew that this was gonna go down, okay? We broke the trend line here, and we had to go down. So if we look to the left, always look to the left, by the way, guys, you can see that we had a strong zone here. That's why we're bouncing. And yes, we do have a strong zone here as well. That's why we rejected that area, okay? So the best case scenario will be for us to wait a double bottom. That double bottom, it definitely will be an ideal price point for us to confirm a trend line before we can break out or try to break out of the resistance, create a higher low, and then continue to the upside. That's kind of what I see for UPST. And if we break that resistance, what is the target, right? That's the main question a lot of people may have regarding this. If we do go up, keep that in mind. If we do go up, not a financial advisor, but I will say 138 could be a great take profit area. If there's euphoria, we're gonna go to 300s, which could be kind of crazy, even 400s, but I don't want to get too crazy because we like to take profits, okay? David, what is that? Okay, and I think that was pretty cool. Looking for a swing, so you're actually gonna be there for about a few weeks. Okay, that's pretty good. And let me take a look at one of my investments. You already know it, SENS. Oh, the market has opened, guys. 52 cents. SENS. I'm not expecting too much of SENS until we break out of that trend. I'm liking it right now. It's creating a great support. I think that support is gonna be good. But the price went down because of the $50 million public offering. That's what happened, my friend. So since the market opened, let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market heat map. This is a great way to have a overall perspective of what's happening in the market. We are actually pretty neutral. Even though it's red, it's not that bad of a red. It's like negative 0.5, negative 0.6, 1. We are gray here and there, so not that bad, honestly. Just needed a breather after all the upside we had. We're gonna get more upside. You're gonna see, guys. And crypto in the last hour is a little bit red with a little bit of green here and there. But look at the daily, guys. Look at the daily. Mostly in the green. Look at SENS, bro. This is a great area for re-entries. Actually may buy some shares as well. It's a 50 cents. It's crazy. Nokia 533. I'm liking Nokia. I'm being in Nokia for so long, bro. I really want Nokia to shine bright like a diamond. Let me look at the Euro USD. Wow, Euro is actually bouncing back. I'm glad that I got out of those positions. Even the GBP, so that means the dollar is actually going down. Even though USD JPY looking like it wants to go up. DXY, let's see. DXY is holding pretty tough there. I really think that DXY can drop just a little bit more. And when that happens, I'm gonna be keeping an eye on some trend lines to be broken. If we get to break some trend lines before, awesome, it doesn't matter. Gold is at 3,308. We did go up as expected. And Bitcoin is at 106,700, going up as expected. Ethereum is at 2,536. This one has been pretty volatile recently, but I do think that Ethereum can definitely shine bright like a diamond as well, especially since we broke out of this triangle. And look at XRP. XRP does look good to me, guys. XRP is creating a solid support, and XRP can be going back to 260s and even beyond that, guys. We can definitely go back to $3.30. That's what I want to see from XRP. I actually bought some XRP, a lot of XRP, because of the current price. It's too cheap to deny. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you that I did buy. That's my personal opinion. Jasmine, I'm still holding, even though this is gonna be a tough one. But when we break out, this is gonna be a good breakout. This is gonna be heading back to 5 cents. You're gonna see, guys. Spell token, this is a very, very interesting one. I don't know if it's gonna go up or not, but I'm holding, and I've been adding to it. And that's it. I think we covered it all. Just let me know, guys, what other companies you... Oh, let's take a look at Palantir. Palantir is always good to review. 126, definitely looking good. We do have a sell signal over here in the daily, so keep an eye on that. But nuts, anything else you want me to review, my friend, before I go? Before I say goodbye? Who else is here? Rostam? Anything else you want me to review? Chimathli? PDD? Got you, my bro. Nuts needs to become a member. I feel like he has to become a member soon. Very soon. When he makes back his lunch money. See, so PDD 117. This is actually looking good, Nuts. We had that double bottom here. Actually, it's kind of like a triple bottom, but yeah, this bottom, it was crucial. We got that resistance over here that we got to break out of. Pretty solid range that we got. Yeah, you can definitely see here that this area is a strong zone. Okay, this is definitely a strong zone. You can see in the history, we've retested this a few times, and definitely keep an eye on this zone here. We want to break out of it. Not bad, not bad. Let me look at the daily though. Yeah, we broke out of this trend line, and we have an uptrend. Oops, we have an uptrend here. We gotta go back to 130s, and let's see what happens at 130s. Dímelo, Daniel Santa Cruz. Bienvenido, my friend. XCN, I got you, bro. XCN, actually one of the communities that supported the spell token. XCN 0.019. We went from 0.00 to 0.01, which is a great return. XCN with the lead in the crypto world, I think. But right now it's a little bit flat. I do like what I'm seeing here. We got this triangle. We just got to break out of it. When is it going to happen? We don't know. I think crypto, whenever it breaks, it will break. And that means whenever we get lower interest rates, I think that's going to be one catalyst. And the other one could be whenever we get a little bit of more money. There was a rumor that there was going to be a Doge package sent to people. That will definitely drive the price up for crypto. And right now I see some great opportunities here. You can see this support is actually creating good rejection. I would love to see this breakout, right? Retest before we go. That's kind of what I want to see. Does that make sense, my friend? Daniel? If you speak in Spanish, is good. También hablo español, Daniel. No sé si habla español. There we go. There we're getting the little pump. Not a big pump. We're getting a pump from crypto. Dímelo, why not live it up? Welcome, bro. Good to see you, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate your support, bro. You've been here. You're one of the OGs. Why not live it up? I remember you, bro. I remember that mustache. Cordial token? What is a cordial token? XPEV, bro. Oh my god, that's a good one, bro. Cordial token. Where can I even see this, bro? I'm sorry if I can't find it, but you gotta give me a little bit more. Cordial token. Well, can you give me the correct? Espérate. Corgi AI. Corgi AI. Corgi AI USD. There you go. Well, this is totally sideways, but hey, it could be a game changer, huh? Wow, this was liquidated a long time ago. Look at that. Whoa, bro. How much do you invest in this, bro? Wow, 3,000% down. That's crazy. Where can you even buy this, bro? Corgi USDT. See the website. No, this is not the website. It's the website. Chronos. Corgi. Okay, here it is. Corgi AI. Let's see. He wants to connect to my wallet just like that, man. So it is in the Ethereum network and Solana network as well. I may consider this. I don't know too much about it though. So they build a strong community. They got NFTs, referral mechanism. Right now it doesn't look good, honestly. It's not even let's look at the weekly, bro. But I see the RSI divergence here is getting to oversold territory in the weekly. Yeah, this may go down a little bit more. But look for buys very soon, bro. I mean, I can't say too much. I don't love this choppiness in the charts. ZBCN. This seems like there's more exchanges that have it. Let's take a look at it in the crypto.com website. Yeah, this is actually looking much better. Initial price point was about 0.0008. Currently at 0.002. If we get a crypto pump, this is definitely gonna pump. This is actually looking much better, bro. Much better. See this? Good trend line. Good broken trend line here. We're in an uptrend. Yeah, this is actually looking good, bro. This is by far the better than Corgi right now. Corgi is a long shot, I think. This one can definitely push up. And let's go back to the stock world. XPEV. Xpeng. 22. Ooh, Xpeng actually doing good. We broke out over here of this trend line, and now we're in an uptrend. Looking good. On the monthly. Oh, and the exponential moving averages went across. We're getting a sell signal, so just keep in mind that if we go down, it could be a good buy. So, wanna watch out for, yeah, we're dropping a little bit. Today we're actually at 22.02, looking good. Any drop could be a drop opportunity, okay? SPEV, I remember this one for a long time ago. You can see, yeah, we're actually going up. Pretty nice, pretty nice. If we go back to 16, that's a buy for me. Soda? Wow, that's crazy. Where do you even buy that, bro? Soda USDT? Is it this one? This is not looking good. I don't know if that's... With crypto, I want to be very careful, bro, because I may get the wrong ticker. You know what I mean? I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on that one. The CBCN. Silly motherfucker. Sector. Yeah, this one is looking good. Where you can buy BitGet, Gate, Bitmart, Hotcoin, BitTrue. There you go, Bitcoin 107. Let's go. I just got a message from my friend. Vámonos, puñeta. Let's go. This is what I was looking for, bro. I'm looking for Ethereum. Yes, sir. Ethereum 2. I want to see Ethereum go up. I want to see XRP go up. Yes, sir. Here we go, my bro. Here we go. We're gonna be making money, guys. We're making profit. We're making profit. David. Here we go, SRP looking good. Cardano, bro, Solana has to be going up. Yes, sir. I actually got some Solana as well. Bro, I literally loaded up my bags this weekend. I made a mistake last Friday, but I loaded up my bags once again. I re-entered Bitcoin at 103. I re-entered at 104. I re-entered Ethereum at 2,500. Actually, I got in over here, 2,400. 2,300s. I needed to do it. Crypto is really going up. We are gonna go up. Let me look at Rivian right quick. And Rivian 1684. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get some good gains, bro. $107. Here we go. Ping, 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 ping. Ping, 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 ping. Let's see crypto here. The last hour. Let's see the last hour. Getting green. Let's go. Even the whiff is going up. I loaded up my bags yesterday, even with some meme coins. I got some Pepe. I got some Bunk coin. Actually, Bunk looking good to me, guys. I don't know if you guys invested in Bunk coin, but I'm investing in it, and I'm making profits already. Popcat, I actually was doing very, very well. I enter at 22, and bro, I closed the positions. Ondo, 95 cents. I actually re-entered XLM. XLM at the 200 EMA was a good position for me. In my perspective, I'm doing well with Dogecoin, guys. Crazy. I re-entered Dogecoin at 18 cents, 17 cents. Doing very well. Dímelo, E.G. Murati. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, crypto is moving now, bro. Yeah, we're gonna move now, bro. XRP doing well. 237. Here we go, bro. You're gonna see, yeah, XRP already broke out of the channel, right? We broke out of this channel, and we actually broke out, whoa, of this other channel. I wanna draw this. Make it right. Yeah, we broke out of this other channel, so of this trend line. So we're looking good, man. We're looking mighty good, and you can see here we are in an uptrend. Bams. No other YouTube channel is gonna give you these technicals, but you know, great information from other YouTubers like Levy. Look at this. Look at that candle, bro. Look at that great rejection. Okay, you see this? This is what I was waiting for. Hopefully we break out, and Bitcoin's already doing it. So Ethereum is doing good. Ethereum is actually performing very well, guys. I closed some Ethereum positions that I had at 1,800s, at 2,600s. I was waiting for re-entries. I had a bad Friday, but hey, we're recovering now. Cardano 75 cents. Let's see what Cardano will do. Hopefully we're able to hold. You have a new Chihuahua. Let's go. Black Stan. Bitcoiner. 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 I like it. Bitcoiner. Such a beautiful dog. I love Chihuahuas, bro. I love Chihuahuas. Everyone, don't forget to like the live stream, bro. And check out my and don't forget to click on the notification bell for the Rockstar release. It's gonna be a YouTube exclusive. Boom, hodl. Yes, sir. Workhorse, bro. Let me see over here what you're saying. Made 8K on 200 vaults. Made 8K on 200, bro. I was gonna be doing about 7,000 with 800, and I messed up. Dude, most of your eggs are are there. Earnings reaction XPEV. Let me see XPEV real quick. XPEV reaction. Woo! There you go, sir. That's exactly what we were talking about, bro. So the earning, but why don't we get the good numbers, bro? What's happening? Here, Xpeng narrows loss as revenue surges, expects another strong quarter update. It have its net loss and more than double its revenue. Net loss for the first quarter was 664 million yuan, equivalent to 92 million, narrowing sharply from 1.37 billion yuan. Xpeng gross margin climbed to 15.6 from 12.9. Vehicle margins improved 10.5%, aided by continuing cost control and economies of scale from volume growth, the company said. Auto company delivered 129k units in the first 4 months of the year. Wow, that's a lot, bro. That's a lot. Yeah, there you go. That's the result, bro. Beautiful, beautiful upside. You said to take a look at what? Bro, you're talking about freaking Workhorse? That's crazy, bro. See, Workhorse, WKHS. Bro, workhorse. This one, bro, this is dead. Right now it's dead. Nothing here for me. This must be like my last few stocks. That's me. That's my shares are there. Nothing there for me, man. Tesla 344. Let's see if this actually pumped NIO. NIO at $4. Okay, we're good. We're good. The Chinese companies are very, very down. Maybe it's on purpose too. Bro, Rolls Royce is at 11.16. Do you guys remember we entered at $1? What the heck, man? Look at that, my bros. We entered at $1 and this is still going, bro. Crazy. You might be calling me crazy, but I entered on that one on 150. Rivian is actually doing good. This is actually good. I entered at 1350s. This at 1680s. Doing very well. Dímelo, Betabot. How you doing, my bro? Betabot, we're actually doing vertical and horizontal live stream. Welcome to the horizontal live stream. We're finally blasting off. Look at that. Bitcoin's gonna go to new all-time highs, guys. Man, I remember when I entered Bitcoin at freaking 10,000, 8,000. And we're already at 107,000. And there's still people that don't believe in it. It's not that you shouldn't believe in it. It's that you gotta understand that the speculation is real. Bro, I gotta get out of here in a bit. Actually, let me see. I think I got a meeting. I mean, I have to, but but I won't be able to review this. Ugh. We got Bitcoin, bro. We're gonna go. I re-entered Bitcoin, bro. I re-entered Bitcoin in Apex, in Trader's Way. I bought some Bitcoin, like in my wallet. Ethereum, I did the same, bro. Ethereum has a very big chance. Keep in mind, Ethereum was at 4,000 once. We're still at 2,500, okay? We had a big rejection over here. You know who actually wants to invest in crypto now? My girlfriend, bro. My girlfriend wants to invest in crypto now, and she's like, "Oh, invest for me." I'm like, I'll create a wallet for you, but more than that, I won't be able to do, because they know people that are not from the US. Now they're starting to understand that the US is powerful in the economy. Wherever the US says it will go, bro. That's all it is, bro. And I'm very proud that we are part of the United States. Even though I'm from Puerto Rico and Puerto Rico has gotten a bad beat, bro. Like, we had a bad economy and all of that, but we had a bad president last time. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The previous administration was not good. I don't think I will be able to load in more. 2% more. I am glad it is not your grandma said it. Come on, Sonny. No, if my grandma said it, I will be scared. She's dead, bro. No, my girlfriend. Yeah, my girlfriend, she's very intelligent, bro. And I told her, like, how many times, like, you gotta at least learn how to invest. I don't want you to invest. Learn how to do it, because the hard part of crypto is learning how to do it, bro. Nothing else. It's the hardest thing is how to get into the market or be exposed by it, at least. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells, you get notified. Oh, Betabot, you want me to take a look at my lady? I think you're gonna say yes. So let's go ahead and do my lady. I think I'm writing it wrong. My lady? It's Lady USDT, right? This is doing good. This is doing good. Yeah, this is gonna explode, bro. See that trend line that I talked about the other day, bro? Look at that. We got that rejection, bro. This is actually looking good, bro. Well, there you go, my friend. Nicely done. I got you, bro. I got you. Yes, sir. Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified. Don't forget that super chats, super stickers are more than welcome. That basically means that you're becoming an executive producer of the show. And if you become a member, even better, you'll have exclusive access to the videos before they go live. And that's gonna be it. I don't know if I can do a video. I haven't done a video for a while. I should do a video. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified. We do the videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.